Okay guys, what we're doing today is we're gonna move this tree over here somewhere. This tree I knocked down last year sometime, and I was gonna cut into firewood. So we are gonna keep this tree because it'd be a lot of good firewood. So I'm gonna move this tree over here, over here, or over here. Don't know yet. And then we are gonna take this pile of dirt right here and I'm gonna spread it out for her, and then we're gonna for a garden in the future. So we've got some old hay over here that we're gonna take and bring over here and mix into the dirt to try to make the soil a lot better. So let's get started.
As you can see, this pile here, this has been here for 3 years. We had a buddy that was doing some dirt work, getting ready to put in an in-ground pool, and he needed a place to dump it. We thought it was going to be like beautiful black gold. It was not. In fact, it is just hard clay. So it's been sitting here for 3 years. It's an eyesore. We can at least try to use this area here for an in-ground garden. So we're going to put this down, try to put some compost on it, try to roll out some old hay that needs to be burned. We'll go ahead and we'll reuse all this. It's a huge in-ground vegetable garden. Okay.
Does that look good?
Yeah, it looks great.
It's pretty thick too.
Yeah?
I don't know how I really did it, but it looks like it's pretty level, like it's deeper in the back, shallower in the front as the land goes down like that. But yes, it's going to have to, the soil's going to have to get better. There was some decent soil in there, but there was also a lot of clay. So I think if we put in some hay, then every so often we need to come out here and till it in my opinion. But overall, I think it's going to be a pretty big garden area. It's as big as that almost that you have over there, raised beds. What do you think?
I think it looks great. Now we just need to get the hay on it and then decide what we're going to use as an edging.
So what do you want to do? I guess I'm just going to get the forks and then bring a hay bale over here, but how are we going to break it up on there?
Can we roll it out? Can we roll it out with the forks? Just roll
They're
it?
half flat. I don't know, I'll play with it and see if I can.
Maybe roll it out with this bucket. what my dreams were.
That was hard.
Was it?
Like opening it up and spreading it out.
Yeah. It's old
But
hay.
that'll
Decompose
over time, right?
Yeah, it'll do great. I mean, once it rains, we'll get rid of all that dust and dirt. And it'll settle.
Yeah.
We might even be able to maybe put something in it this year.
This year,
Yeah. No.
it's pretty. There was some good dirt there, but there was a lot of clay there too. So it's going to be like them gardens that we did over there that we added to. It took a year for it to actually get good.
Yeah. I was thinking okra corn, like just
But
to try.
you could try something. Something might grow in it, but we'll definitely have to till it in. And our little tiller probably won't do the job with something big like that.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
So one project down today.
One project down to